Hello guys, my name is Pravyado and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality Dofollow profile backlink, image backlink and the forum submission backlink. So the website name is rctech.net. So this is automobile industry backlink related backlink. The thing is you guys will create your FAQ, forum, image submission and the profile backlink on this site, and this site will provide a Dofollow backlink. Okay. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can saw something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 70 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 54 and the spam score is only 7%. And I haven't installed similar web, so let me show you with another ID. Okay, so according to similar web, this website drawing 263.4k monthly visits, and the mostly traffic from USA, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia and the Czech Republic. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So you can see this is a website dashboard. So simply you can click on the register button, and there you guys will add your email address and your username. Username is DML, and you can choose your password, and you can choose your country, and after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition and you can click on the complete registration button. Once you guys will complete these things, then this site will send you a verification email, so you can check your Gmail box. So you can see I received. So simply you can click on the first URL and you can verify your profile, and after that you will see, if you wanting to, you can proceed from there now. And also I can show you, so you can click on the drop down menu and you will see there is a edit your details button. You can click on this. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients, and from there you can start optimizing your details. So there you can add your website URL, and you can add your social details. So in the social section, social box, you can add your username, and once you guys will complete these things, then after that you can, if you wanting to, you can add your biography. So you will determine what is your biography, so you can paste it over there. And after that, once you guys will complete these things, so simply you can click on the save changes button. So your details should be updated now. And once you guys will complete these things, so there is another details, so profile privacy. So if you want, so you can make any changes, and there is a edit avatar button, so you can click on this, and from there you guys will update your profile picture. And if you wanting, so you can add your website URL also. So you can see the profile picture is updated now. So now the time is we can create a first image submission backlink. So how we will do these things? So simply you can see in the same section there is a picture and the album button. You can click on this. So and the next you guys will there is a upload picture button. You can click on this, and there is a two option. You can upload from your computer or your website URL. So I can proceed with my computer. So there is Dofollow social bookmarking backlinks. Backlinks. So you can see, and after that you can click on the second number tag button, and there you can add your tag. So social bookmarking backlink, and you will see this is your image landing page URL. So after that you can click on the save button, and I can show you this is image submission backlink. So you can see this is an image, and if you're wanting, so you can add your vehicle or any another details. And this site is highly related for the vehicle the automobile industry. So in the beginning I have shared with you how you guys will create these things. So we have created profile backlink and the image backlink. Now the time is we can create a forum backlink. So simply you can select any of let me select any forum, and you will see after that you can see there is a new threads button. So you can select any forums, then after that you can scroll something and you will see there is a new thread button. So you can click on this. So there you can add your thread title. So my thread title should be what is, so suppose that if I can go to create for my social bookmarking, what is social bookmarking. So let me add over there. I'm just copying this content for the video creation purpose, because I don't have much more time. So but if you guys are doing these things, so you can consider to create a quality and the fresh content for your backlinking. So social bookmarking, and if you're wanting to insert your website URL, so simply you can select your keyword, and you will see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this and you will paste your website URL, and after that you can click on the OK button. So once you guys will complete these things, so if you're wanting to attach an image, so you can. So there is two options, so you can choose from your album or your computer, and after that you can upload button, and there is a tag button. And your separate URL, if you're wanting to add a separate URL, so you can, and you can choose any of icons, and after that do not subscribe, display email notification. So once you guys will complete these things, so simply you can click on the submit a new threads button. So you will see this is your forum submission backlink. So this is a process for the backlinking on this side, and I can show you this is a no follow, do follow backlink. So first thing you will see there is a my profile button. You can click on this and you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and from there you can wanting to make changes. So you can see there is a multiple option. You can add your location. So there I can go to add my location is India, interest in marketing, and there is another detail, so you can update according to your requirement. And after that I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you guys will see it's 100% instant approved backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So post find all posted by DML training, and you will see I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And also I can show you another thing. So there is no any another thread. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, So then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.